Evening. Grab package. Tell the morning. I'm concerned though, 'cause there feels like there's something moving around that should not be moving around in this. So we're gonna find out. Okay, first thing, this might have been what I was hearing. This might have been what I was hearing. I hope that's what I was hearing. Good news is that this is another box. Yeah, so I was just hearing the sticker. You wanna know what's in this box? I know what's in this box. Do you think I can get into this box? Maybe. Just maybe. Hey all, this thing? It's a big old mug. It's a big old mug. Tell them on it. This thing's massive. Now the bottom of it. This is the bottom of the morning on the bottom. This is great. Hold for lots of coffee. Yeah, so this is what I got in the mail today.